This is ZTN News Blitz live from Harare, Zimbabwe's capital. Our top stories. D-Day for public gatherings in Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe business public workers differ on pay structure. Coronavirus deaths reach 10,000 worldwide. And in sport, Zimbabwe PSL delay a blessing in disguise for Dynamos. The ban on public gatherings in Zimbabwe takes effect today, with police saying they will be conducting patrols to ensure compliance with the prohibition. Zimbabwe banned public gatherings of more than 100 people as part of a number of precautionary measures against coronavirus. The country is yet to record a case of the virus. National Police spokesperson, Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyati, spoke to ZTN.
The Zimbabwe Republic Police, in view of the coronavirus pandemic and the measures put in place by the government of Zimbabwe, the Zimbabwe Republic Police will ensure that all government directives and the regulations needed to step up the safety and security of citizens are prioritized. The ZRP is working closely with the relevant arms of government and appeals for cooperation from members of the public. The government ban of 100 or more people, be it at church, music, soccer or any other gathering, should therefore be observed. Police are conducting patrols, surveillance and checks to ensure compliance.
As negotiations by labor, government and business continue, it appears some of the parties are getting frustrated at the slow pace of the process. Harsh words were exchanged at a recently held tripartite negotiating forum as business refused to allow Treasury to peg salaries against the interbank rate. For the second time, Treasury had acceded to match salaries to the prevailing interbank rate, but business had other ideas. Apex Council spokesperson David Zatsunga speaks to ZTN.
There was very strong, sometimes acrimonious debate on that score that business is being insincere, selfish and trivializing the whole process of TNF. We have asked government as Labour to proceed to legislate for a national minimum wage. That is sensitive to the inflation, that at least guarantees that a worker is capable of at least having a consumer basket.
427 deaths have been registered in Italy over the past 24 hours, bringing the total tally to 3,405 since the outbreak surfaced on February 21. China comes in second after recording 3,245 deaths since early January. Meanwhile, 5 more Italian doctors have died from coronavirus, bringing the death toll among medics in the country to 13. Another 2,629 health workers are already infected. The Italian government has extended lockdown measures beyond the start of April. In sport, Zimbabwe football giants Dynamos launched their low-key pre-season campaign in Harare yesterday. On Tuesday, Zimbabwe announced a 60-day suspension of public gatherings. Coach Tondera Indiraya said the suspension of the Premier Soccer League gives his team time to improve.
It needs much more time for a team to really start to play together, for the players to start to understand each other. And I really thought the pre-season was too short a time for our team, a new team for that matter, for it to get together, gel and start playing and producing results.
Tokyo 2020 Olympics organizers are yet to decide if this year's Olympics will proceed. Several sporting events have been postponed due to the coronavirus pandemic. The Olympics are scheduled to start on July 24. World Athletics Chief Lord Coe says it is too early to make a decision on the Games. Well, that's a wrap of the 10 a.m., but we're back at 1 p.m. You can, of course, get more news on our website, ztn.co.zw. Good morning and stay sharp.